Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So I've just shared a EuroGBP cell setup on my free community here, and then if you want to join the free community, make sure that you use the link in the description below, guys. So what I'm gonna do is show you how I got to see like this beautiful setup here, and so that you can take advantage of this setup, just because it's gonna drop massively, guys. So let's get into the charts here, guys. So this is the Euro GBP setup on the 1 hour time frame, and what I'm gonna do is remove each and everything here so that you can try to understand like everything that we did here. Even though like I shared this only setup this week here on the channel, but like the aim is to make sure that I share good setups so that you can get to capitalize on them, unlike sharing many setups, even though I know that they are not good or they are not like A plus setups. So that is what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to share A plus setups when coming to trading currencies, guys. So as you can see from this point, we can just look at the structure, the current structure, like I told you guys. We don't have to look at like previous structures just because we are focusing on this piece of price action right here. So as you can see right here, we have your high, your low, your high, your low, your higher high, your lower low, lower high, lower low. So we expect a lower high, then get a lower low. So that is why I'm saying that this is gonna be a massive drop, guys. Sorry about the beeping sound, guys. Sorry about the beeping sound. I'll fix it. So as you can see right here, we have a break of structure to the top, then another break of structure right around this point here. Then after having a break of structure, we expect what, guys? If we use our flip tool from the low to the high, you can obviously see that the market tapped into that 0.5 level, feeling this overall imbalance that we had around this point here, and there was some type of like liquidity around that point, of which I'm not going to get deep into it. Then we know that the market has to respect this area here to continue pushing up, taking out this high here. But like what happened is that we had a change of character around this point here. Then after having that change of character, we know that we have to look for areas of interest. So taking our flip tool from the high to the low, you can obviously see that we have this area here. We had this area of interest, of which that's the 0.5 level, and I like taking entries on that 0.5 level. As we can see, this is the golden zone. I call it the golden zone just because whenever the market taps into that area, it reacts nicely. And then if you take this trade on the 4-hour time frame, just because you can swing using like just market structure and your Fibonacci, you can just swing very nicely without having any issues, whereby you take the entry around here, your stop loss should be just above here, and then most of the time this type of trade would be like a 1 to 2 or a 1 to 2.5, guys. So as you can see right here, it's a 1 to 3, guys. 1 to 2.3, guys. 2.33, as you can see right there. And this is a good strike rate of which you can make a lot of bank when you're trading with prop firms. And another area of interest would have been this one here. So I'm just gonna highlight everything here just because there was like a weak creation or a gap previously. So that is why I'm highlighting everything. So this is the supply area. Then after having that supply area, you can obviously see that the market tapped into the golden zone, tapping into the supply, then sold off, taking out this low here. Then after taking out the low, we know that we have to continue with the overall structure, of which is for the market to drop to the downside. So I'm just gonna push this one to the side here. So now we have a new high, of which it's this one here. Then you have a new low, of which it's this one right there. So now what you're gonna do is take your fib tool from the high to the low, and then what you can notice is that the market is already at that 0.5 level or above the 0.5 level, and then also tapped into the golden zone. So that is why I am sharing this setup here, just because it's good, very good, whereby even if you take the sell around here, your stop would be like 40 pips, as you can see right there, and then the target would be 2.6%. Like I said, 2.5 2% when it comes to swinging this overall strategy right here. But like it needs patience. And then at the top of the structure, we can obviously see that we have a nice supply zone, of which it can be tapped. And what you need to understand is that, guys, sometimes you won't have like a confirmation, just because some of you will say that I can just wait for a confirmation like this, then look for those nice selling opportunities just around that point, just like that, guys. whereby sometimes you won't have like this type of formation happening. The market will just drop to the downside. So what I like to do is minimize the risk, whereby you can just use 0.5 here and then take this overall movement to the downside. So let's say on the 1 hour or the 15 minute, it doesn't matter if you take the trade on the 1 hour or the 15 minute, guys, né? So the what matters is the overall analysis. So here is a gap. As you can see, this is a large imbalance, is nicely allocated on the golden zone. So you can place your sell just around that point. Your stop loss can be just around 20 pips, and you can target around, let's just see, around 5.4% if this trade works out in our favor. But like, you can just wait up until you get like more confirmation. But like, I would recommend that you take the entry right here, and then even if it takes us out, we can wait for another entry just around this point. Like I told you, sometimes the market won't give you any confirmation. So if we look at the previous structure just around here, you can see that we had a confirmation happening. So as you can see, this is a high, a low, high, then we had a lower low, lower high. So that was a nice confirmation right there. Sweep of the highs, then the market tapped into the last area that gave us the break. Then we continue to break structures. As you can see, even if you took an entry just around this point here, your stops would have been just above here, and with a right management, you would have taken like 3%, 3 point something percent. Then you get tagged out, tapping into the higher time frame or a block of which that was the 4 hour. Then that is when we got the nice pull to the downside, as you can see right there. So for now, we can just get involved in the markets just around this point. Stops around 20 pips. If it doesn't work out, you move your entry obviously at the top just like that. Then you can just wait for a nice 6.2% on this trade idea, guys, man. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and then if you have like any questions concerning this particular setup, drop them in the comment section, and I'll see you on another video, guys. And I'm just gonna do a follow-up. I'm gonna do a follow-up maybe tomorrow or by the end of the week, so that you can see what happened. So yeah, before I forget, this is also an imbalance, and the market feels imbalances like crazy. So I'll see you on another video, guys. Peace and love.